AI cannot accurately tell you the time from a clock face, but we often hear the same AI winning gold medals at Olympiads. Isn't it strange? Because frontier AI models are now exceeding human baselines on PhD level science and maths questions. Even on coding benchmarks, we can see models resolve real bugs in real code bases, and performance has gone up from 60% to nearly 100% in a single year. So the progress is real, it is staggering and not slowing down. Yet AI cannot read from an analog clock, which humans can do with 90% accuracy. Stanford calls this the jagged frontier of AI, and this is one of the most important concepts to understand about where AI actually is right now. Jagged frontier means that a model that performs complex tasks can also completely fall apart on basic spatial reasoning, reading a clock, or figuring out whether you should walk or drive to a car wash 50 meters away. That last one actually went viral in February this year because most leading models missed the obvious point that the car also needs to arrive at the car wash. And because of this unpredictability, AI is difficult to trust right now. Although there are lots of benchmarks to test, you cannot look at the score and know where the gaps are going to show up. The model that tops the leaderboard on reasoning capability might quietly fail at something embarrassingly simple, and you would have no idea until it happens in production. And that is honestly the state of AI in 2026. AI is not plateauing, but we also do not have generally reliable AI yet. Most people interact with AI assuming it is either smart or dumb or capable. But what we have is something in between. And until that changes, the honest answer to can AI do this or that is not yes or no. It is we don't know yet, and neither does the benchmark.